In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for your purchases on Amazon using your debit card in installments, also known as EMI. This can be a fantastic way to manage your expenses without having to part with a huge sum all at once. However, a few important conditions must be met before you can use this service, as not every bank or product on Amazon supports it. First, let's discuss how eligibility works because this is crucial. Your bank must have already set up a pre-approved EMI facility on your debit card for you to use this feature. Not every bank offers this, so you'll need to check with your bank directly. One easy way to do this is by logging onto your bank's website or app, where you can see if your debit card supports the EMI feature. Also noteworthy is that not every product on Amazon is eligible for debit card EMI purchases. When browsing products, pay attention to the EMI section on the product page. This will tell you whether the item you're interested in can be purchased using this option. You'll also see this information again when you check out, so keep an eye out there too. Once you've confirmed eligibility, you'll initiate your purchase by selecting the product you want and adding it to your cart. Easy, right? Afterwards, proceed to your shopping cart and initiate the checkout process. On to selecting your payment method. When you're on the payment page, look for the EMI option. If debit card EMI is available for you, select this as your payment method. This should be relatively easy to find, and it will guide you through the next steps. Now, you need to choose your repayment tenure. This essentially means how long you'd like to take to pay off your purchase. You can usually choose between durations like 3, 6, 9, or even 12 months. Make sure you select a plan that suits your financial situation. Finally, you'll complete the transaction. This usually involves entering your debit card details, things like the card number, expiry date, and CVV. This is standard for most online purchases. To finalize the transaction, your bank might require you to authenticate the purchase. This is frequently done by an OTP or one-time password sent to your registered phone number, though some banks might have other authentication methods. And that's it, pretty straightforward, right? By following these steps, you can easily manage your funds while still purchasing the items you need or want from Amazon. Make sure you've checked all the details thoroughly, be mindful of your bank's terms and conditions, and you're good to go. Happy shopping!